Good morning. Today we would like to thank this community for all of your support during the COVID-19 pandemic. Today we have an update from Dr. Sam Cobar-Rubius and Dr. Igor Ankor. Dr. Sam?
Good morning. Today is April 9, 2020, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. We're here to let you know that we have a total of 5 cases of the coronavirus infection in Clinch County. 2 new cases were confirmed yesterday. Unfortunately, the 2 new cases that were identified yesterday highlight that there is community transmission in our county. The viral infection is being passed from person to person. We would like to ask everyone to continue with what you have been doing, washing your hands all the time, not touching your faces, and disinfecting highly touched surfaces. We understand that all the non-essential workers are at home. We are, however, asking the essential workers who have to show up to work to start wearing a facial mask when you are around people. These do not need to be surgical masks or N95 masks. The Centers for Disease Control recommends that cloth masks are going to be sufficient in preventing the spread of the infection. We are appealing to people in our community who are able to sew or make these masks, to make donations so that we can bring them to the areas of our community that are at highest risk for morbidity and mortality from this infection. Dr. Igor Ankor will have an update for the testing for COVID-19.
Now guys, I first want to stress the importance of not panicking at this time, okay? We do have the 2 new cases, as Dr. Sam spoke about. So it is very, very important to socially isolate at this time, okay? We have cases right in our community. So as much as you can, stay at home, wash your hands. You want to protect the elderly. You want to protect the immunocompromised by staying home and staying away from them. Now, the testing availability is quite limited. You've heard that from many cities around the country. We're no different. The test kits are so limited at this time, and we're doing our best at the hospital to acquire more. We're basically ordering on a daily basis, but they are only sending us a very limited amount, okay? So the way to contain this virus, the way to contain this disease is really just socially isolate, wash hands, and just be smart about it, okay? And that's about it.
Even though we only have 5 confirmed cases in the community, I want you all to think that there has to be more than 5 in our county. It is going to be very naive to think that we only have 5 cases. A lot of them are undiagnosed. When you go out in public, assume that everybody you get in contact with has the coronavirus infection so that you can protect yourself and your family. We are asking the employers of the essential workers that if you could possibly provide the facial masks for your employees, and we are also asking you to enforce physical distancing measures in the workplace. We will be keeping you updated as we get new information, and as always, we are going to get through this together.